We all are familiar with the brand Nestle, right? It's a Swiss company and its founding story is right there in its name. The German pharmacist Henry Nestle, on realizing that many new mothers are unable to breastfeed their newborns, decided to formulate baby milk powder. And that's how the company came into being. And ever since then, it has been a long journey of 150 years where they are constantly striving to provide good food, good life. Likewise, we see that now there's a big diversity in terms of products Nestle is providing. But not all these products are needed around the year. Some products are sold more in summers while some in winters and so on. Furthermore, as Nestle relies on agricultural resources a lot, making its product globally available is also a major challenge for Nestle, besides the seasonal impacts on the production of raw materials. So it becomes pretty obvious what made Nestle adopt demand forecasting. And adopting this measure didn't just help Nestle with the sales graph, but also contributed to the effective management of resources. Otherwise, certainly, there would have been lesser or excessive hoarding of inventories, which is neither sustainable for the environment nor for the business. So now let's find out how Nestle direct store delivery benefited from demand forecasting. A division of Nestle USA, Nestle DSD, is based in Oakland, which is one of the largest US frozen distribution store delivery networks, employed in distributing ice creams and pizzas to thousands of stores. It was facing problems in matching the shipment to the right store at the right time in the right amount, owing to numerous varieties and mixed demands from the consumers, including the seasonal demands of these products. Meanwhile, Nestle also wanted to make sure that the products do not sit for too long at the distribution centers in order to provide customers with fresh and best quality products. So Nestle resorted to SAS demand-driven forecasting, which helped Nestle not only improve its service level but also helped in improving the accuracy of forecasting by 4 percentage points. As a result of which, inventory holding costs were reduced, timely delivery of products was made possible, and Nestle's promise of delivering good food, good life was strengthened. So let's get to know what is demand forecasting. Basically, demand forecasting, as the name suggests, is a way of predicting the demands of customers with the objective of improving the supply chain to grow business. But the same conventional way of doing it is not going to work any longer because there's a mammoth amount of data being generated on an everyday basis. And thus the necessity and utility of demand forecasting have unlocked one more room for the field of data science and thus brings in one more reason to acquaint ourselves with this field. So let's meet on the other side. And meanwhile, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get to know more about such use cases of data science.